Thanks for joining us on our tour and review of Hennle Hall Lodges. Just to say, this is an independent review for our channel and subscribers. This was our 7th visit to the amazing complex.
Situated on the North Wales border between Wrexham and Oswestry, you're ideally located to take in everything North Wales and Snowdonia has to offer, including waterfalls, mountains and castles. We stayed, as always, in Silver Moon Lodge, which is 2-bedroom and dog friendly.
Hennle Hall Woodland Lodges is an award-winning cluster of superior lodges and pods tucked away in 17 acres of glorious parkland surrounding the historic Hennle Hall. Perfect at any time of year for romantic hideaways or relaxing family retreats. Nestled in secluded woodland, each stylish lodge boasts a luxurious, contemporary interior along with wood-burning fires and a spacious, tree-lined decking that hosts hot tubs.
The complex also provides fabulous countryside views, a beautifully preserved walled garden, fallow deer paddock and Hennle Heights, with its fantastic coffee lounge, restaurant and bar.
To the front and side of the lodge, you have a nice big wraparound porch with a lockable gate, which is perfect if you decide to bring your dogs with you. To the front of the porch area, you have a 5-berth hot tub and patio furniture, and you can also request a barbecue for a small charge. Let's open this door, look. Ready? Remember this lodge? Oh, we've got a Christmas tree. There's the fire. These complimentary Maltesers. Tea, coffee, biscuits. And also a complimentary bottle of vino spumante. Got your microwave, your storage above, this big sink. You also get supplied with washing up liquid, barbecue goods, dishwasher tablets, fire lighters for the fire, this oven, your grill, kettle, toaster, dishwasher for those that don't like to wash their own dishes. And then you have a decent sized fridge with plenty of space to feed a family for the duration of your stay, and also a decent sized freezer too. There's also plenty of storage space for snacks, etc. and you're provided with glasses, cutlery and all the kitchen utensils you need. Both bedrooms are a good size and come with Super King beds that can be changed to twin if required. So laid out on the bed, you've got your towels, your dressing gown and your slippers for your hot tub. And around there you've got a nice double wardrobe, sitting area and a decent sized smart TV. In the bathroom we've got a nice walk-in rainfall shower, nice little basin and complimentary shampoo and conditioner. Leading out back into the hallway and into bedroom 2, which is pretty much just a mirror of the other bedroom. Again, nice Super King size bed, TV, double wardrobe. And we've also got the bedside cabinets. And the ensuite for bedroom 2 is just a mirror of bedroom 1. With a sink basin and drawers, towel radiator and rainfall shower.
As we were visiting in December, the lodges were dressed with Christmas trees, which we thought was a lovely touch.
The lodge also provides a utility room with a washing machine and tumble dryer, which is ideal if you like hiking as we do, along with an ironing board and various cleaning equipment. There's a nice sized dining table with 4 comfortable chairs in the large living area with comfy sofas, a table and 50-inch JVC smart TV. And to top it off, you have an amazing log burning fire with a complimentary basket of logs, which is perfect to sit in front of after a day of adventure. As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to comment and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out our other lodge reviews.